Gemini. Welcome back to my channel, Gemini. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So that may give you clarity in your situation, guys, may answer some questions you have in your mind regarding your circumstances. So you can stay tuned for that reading, Gemini. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Hermit in reverse, Page of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you had great trust or faith on someone. You expected certain things from this person, but they are not talented or skilled like you. So maybe it may be affecting your work potential or affecting the way things are. So lack of talents or skills are the reason for some troubles in your work situation. Or maybe in this relationship you expected this person to be something and what they are, maybe their behavior or the words they speak, it is something that is making you feel that you cannot trust them anymore or have faith on them anymore. They are not reliable, guys. You may feel this way about this person. So you have some kind of worries about the way things are going to proceed in your future. Maybe for some of you in your work situation, you are trying to avoid some difficulties and you are taking necessary steps maybe for your future plans, for your future success. You are trying to take few precautions, trying to avoid some difficult circumstance to unfold. So you are doing things carefully to avoid, but people may see you as someone in a lot of fear, afraid of your future or afraid where things will go. So it may be your energy in this relationship or in your career situation. So in your relationship also, you have a lot of anxiety and stress and you are afraid that this person may leave you or this relationship may break up. So some kind of worries or some stress you are feeling because you are seeing your future and worried about your future. Maybe you must concentrate more on your relationship right now, guys, in the present situation. So instead of fearing your future or where things may go, you should try to change the way things are right now if you want to avoid a separation from this person or some difficulties in your relationship, guys. And Gemini, for your relationship, maybe, guys, maybe this person, for some of you, I see them as someone much younger to you and they are quite adventurous, and that may be the reason they are not like you. They are not responsible or they are not planning for the future with you. So that may be the reason for their behavior this way. And that may be the reason you feel that you cannot trust this person, you cannot rely on them. Maybe they are immature or they are making immature decisions that may be uh, giving you the idea that this person may move away from you, but they are loyal, they can be trusted, guys, Gemini. So that is also what I see, guys. And in your career situation, Gemini, you may get some kind of a news today, guys, maybe regarding some projects or something expected in your work situation. Maybe you are expecting some answers for some financial deals or for some projects. You may get that answer, and it is a positive answer you are going to get, guys. So your fears are really not necessary, guys. Things will turn out as expected in your situation, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So we will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it says harmony. So in your situation, guys, in any circumstances in our daily life, we see that harmony is missing in our day-to-day life, in our society or in our circumstances, and conflict seems to be the norm. We are in so much stress, anxiety, and to bring peace and harmony, it is a really difficult thing. It is something that is that needs to be worked on, guys, to bring that peace and harmony in our day-to-day life. And we need to understand that all this stress, conflict, anxiety, what is the reason for that? The reason for that is our thoughts. So we are always worried or we are always thinking about certain things, and we have fear and judgment in our thoughts, in our mind. That is the reason we face so many conflicts in our day-to-day life. So to obtain peace and happiness, we must first learn to quieten our mind, guys, and be able to see our situation objectively from a different point of view, just like a third person. So when we see our situation from a different perspective and the people in our situation differently, we will be able to find harmony and accepting others as they are without any expectation. That is going to fill our life with peace and happiness. And when we open our heart to let this harmony flood us and change the situation around us, bit by bit our world will change. So the people and the circumstances we are in will change, and that change should start from us, guys. So that is the energy. So we should be able to relate that harmony first to ourselves, then to our circumstances. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So, for those who chose this card, we have poisoned apple, jealousy. So, in your situation, guys, maybe there is a person who is really close to you, who wants you to think of them as a friend, but they may be holding some grudge against you and they are jealous of you, and they are finding the right way to approach you to harm you. So you need to be really careful with this person. And also, guys, in your circumstances, there are certain things coming towards you. It may look like a gift, but it is a temptation that is going to poison your soul, and that is going to push you into some difficult circumstances. So you need to refuse it right away. But even if you choose it, maybe you are too tempted or you cannot avoid it, and maybe you do not know the truth about these choices and you accept it. You need not fear, guys, fear the choice or the decisions that you have made, because the pain that you will go through in this journey, it is going to give you that gift of insight and experience, and it is going to give you clarity in your relationships. So you are a target of jealousy and revenge. So if you are able to avoid that person, maybe you may know who it is. If you can, you need to avoid them, guys, and you need to think clearly. If you are making some important choices or decisions in your life, you should think for yourself and not trust others, not trust anyone in these circumstances. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.